How to create a scatter plot in Google Sheets. Introduction to scatter plot. Search for scatter plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Scatter plot is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Scatter plot data requirements. You need between 0 or 2 columns of categorical data to create a scatter plot. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 2 to 3 columns of numerical data to create a scatter plot. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: scatter plot will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. In this video, first we will create a scatter plot with 2 numerical data column. Later, we will add 2 categorical and 1 numerical data column. Search for scatter plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. You can refresh data sheet columns. You can set row values in the start row and end row text boxes. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 2 numerical data columns. Now we will add third numerical data column. This is an optional feature. Click on the Refresh Data Sheet Columns button. The numerical data column has been mapped. This metric will control size of circles. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 3 numerical data columns. Now we will add first categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Click on the Refresh Data Sheet Columns button. The first categorical data column has been mapped. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 1 categorical and 3 numerical data columns. Now we will add second categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Click on the Refresh Data Sheet Columns button. The second categorical data column has been mapped. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 2 categorical and 3 numerical data columns. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the box section. You can change the color of circles. Click on the Apply button. Change the color of all circles. Click on the Data Point Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Data Point section. You can show or hide hollow circles. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart properties. Click on the Quadrant section. You can show or hide quadrant. Click on the trendline section. You can show or hide trendline. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.